Morning, everybody. It's now June 24th, 2020, 5:02 a.m. Looking directly in the northeast sky. I mean, look at that. Well before sunrise. Look way over here to the east. Light source. Not right, everybody. Got something blue up here. I don't know what that is. Okay, I'm heading to work. I'll be back with more. Alright, everybody, I'm just going to kind of let this play out a little bit. I'll pause it now and then. But what is that? This guy is crazy. It's all blue. Little blue light source coming up there. What the heck is that? Okay, I'm going to pause it and I'll get a little closer to work. Let's put it back on a few minutes here. You should not have a light source like that on the bottom right, everybody. At 5:07 a.m. I mean, that sky is lit right up. In the blue sky. Man, Roger Paul just talked about the blue sky in his last two videos, everybody. Like it's all a reflection from Nibiru. What an intense looking sky. I can't even capture it all. I'm driving. Let's pause it again. See if we capture this going around this curve here, everybody. I mean, this stuff is crazy. Look at that sky. Look at that. Look at the blue clouds. Incredible. What is all that? Man. Totally insane. Definitely not normal. I almost could put sunglasses on looking over there in the northeast. Just so lit up. Okay, everybody, I'm going to pause it again. I mean, that's insane there. What is that? Man, it just blows me away. Look at that. Gosh. I'm going to try to stop at that little inland lake there in Oscoda, everybody, and see if I can get a better glimpse of this when I get there. X system is so close. Yeah, everybody, I got another channel too, with Roger Paul. The channel name is Roger Paul and Our Skies Today. So come over there and sub us, everybody. Roger gets awesome stuff. This last channel was shut down by false copyrights from another sky watcher. So him and I decided to team up together. So I'll be working 2 channels. This one here and one with Roger Paul. So come on over there and join us. I really would appreciate it. And I know Roger would too. The sky is just so phenomenal. Unreal. Sorry for the trees. I'm going to pause it again here in a minute until I get closer to the lake. Look over there a little bit. Last little eclipse, I think, here. Pick it all up. Let's pause it again. Okay, we'll capture a little bit more of this before I get to the lake, everyone. Well, let's pause it again. System is so close. I'm gonna pause it again. Play out a little bit. Look at that. Well before sunrise.
Insurers and hospitals to disclose the actual prices for common tests and procedures in a bid to promote competition and push down costs. Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar called the decision Tuesday by a federal judge in Washington, D.C.
All right, everybody. It's now 5:33 a.m. before sunrise.
And as America grapples with
Look at this stuff.
President Donald Trump is lining up with those who argue that efforts to remove statues of presidents and other historical figures that offend some people have gone too far. Trump says
Sit here just a couple minutes. Look at that.
that have come under new scrutiny amid
I mean, this is not right.
police killing of George Floyd. The president says the country should learn from its history and warns that it could be repeated if people don't understand. We're listening to WO
System trails. And look at that stuff.
Usual because coronavirus and government orders came along. Al and Tyler have been busy rounding up almost a dozen more vehicles for the real and virtual launch.
Just insane.
With specific vehicle requests are happy motorists now because
I'm gonna sit here a couple minutes. Look at this real close, everybody. I mean, you got these Little black clouds. They're moving. And all that behind it is just stationary. How can that be? Yeah, we got another atmosphere mixing with ours right here. That's for sure. It's even reflecting on the water. I wish I could stay till the sun comes up, but I gotta get to work, everybody. Just wanted to capture this. This stuff is insane. I'd like to stay longer, everybody, but I can't. I gotta get to work. At least I got something for this PlanetX update. All debris. Another atmosphere mixing with ours. I'd like to stay, everybody, but I gotta get going. So hope you enjoyed the video, and like I say, go over to Roger Paul on Our Skies Today channel and sub us there, everybody. Let's get that channel growing too. I know Roger would appreciate it, and I would appreciate it. So with that, everybody, I'm gonna let it go for now. So thanks for watching. Keep your eyes to the skies. God bless you. Have a great, great day, everybody. We'll catch you later. Much love. All right, everybody. Now 5:43 a.m. Look at that sky. Look at it now. I wish I would have stayed there another 5 minutes. Man, look at that. That's all red. What you're seeing looking yellow there, that's all just red. All that. Man, I should have stayed there a little longer. Look how blue it is back here. Get a picture. Totally, totally insane. How do you get that before sun rises? It's really getting red. It's beautiful. Look at them blue clouds. Wow. All right, everybody, that's gonna be it, I guess. I might come back before I go in. We'll see. I still got 10 minutes to get inside. Incredible. Sorry for the wires. Yeah, it's all real normal, isn't it? Well, look at this again. Yeah, big black ball right there. Yep, and the sun's not even up yet. It's dominating the sky. And you got all this blue stuff over here. Okay, everybody, that's enough. Thanks for watching. I might come back one last time if I see the sun before I go in. Have a blessed day, everybody. Let's get one more shot of this. Oh, 5:50 a.m. All right, everybody, I gotta get ready to get in. I wish I could stay till the sun popped up there, but gotta work too, so thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, everybody.